Right. We have an example here. If x is equal to 3, is 1 root of the equation x squared plus 3x plus k is equal to 0. Determine value of k and the other root. So, how do we do this? We are told x is equal to 3. So we are being told that 3 is the other root of this equation. So solving this, we are saying x squared plus 3x plus k is equal to 0. This is our equation. So we need to find the value of k, but we are told the other root x is equals to 3. So we substitute for x here. So we are saying 3 squared plus 3 multiplied by 3 plus k is equal to 0. This is 9 plus 9. What do we get? 3 squared, it's 9. 3 times 3, it's 9. So we get 18 plus k is equal to 0. So 18 plus k is equal to minus 18. So we have solved this part. We have found the value of k. But now we want to find the other value, the other root. So the other root, how do we find it? We just put k here so that we have this equation be x squared plus 3x minus k is equal to 0. So now when we have this, we are able to find the other root. What do? We factorize this. We factorize like what we did here. This one and this one, if we multiply it, what do we get? We get 18x squared. So now, which are the factors? Which are the factors of 18x squared? When we add them, we get 3. When we add them, we get 3. So now, already we have another root here. Already we have another root. So the other one, when you multiply, obviously 6 times 3, what do we get? We get 18. So if we add these two factors, they should give us plus 3. If we add these two factors, they should give us plus 3. So what do we have here? We have it's 6 and 3. Let's give them the signs. X squared, 6 and 3, so that we get plus 3 here. This is plus 6 and 3. 6 times 3, we get 18. We want to have a negative 18 here. It's minus 6 plus 3. If we add them, minus 6 plus 3, what do we get here? We get minus 3. No, if we say 6 plus minus 3, 6 times 3, yeah, so now it's 6 plus 6x plus 3x minus 18 is equal to 0. This is minus 3x. Minus 3x. We take out, we factor out x here. X, what do we get here? If we factor out x, we are left with x plus 6 here. Here what do we factor out? We factor out 3x plus 6 here. We need to give the sign. It's minus. We are taking out minus 3. So this is x plus 6. X minus 3 is equal to 0. So now x plus 6, x minus 3, it means x plus 6 is equal to 0, or x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 6, or x is equal to 3. So therefore x minus 6 is the other root. Minus 6 is the other root of this equation.